Cotton, also called white gold, has been the king of the clothing world for centuries. In the next few minutes, we are exposing the entire hidden journey of cotton, from a tiny seed in the ground to the finished garment in your wardrobe. Prepare to have your view of textiles fundamentally changed. Let's begin the journey. Phase 1. The journey of the cotton fiber begins in agricultural land. This phase is called agro-farming. Phase 2. Sowing is generally done in the Kharif season. Cotton production requires warm weather, sufficient rainfall or irrigation, and pest protection. Modern farming uses drip irrigation to save water and genetically improve seeds. Phase 3. After about 2 months, the beautiful cotton flowers bloom, which after a few days turn into hard, oval-shaped boll fruit. When these bolls ripen, they burst open, releasing the white fibers. This is the actual raw cotton. Phase 4. Harvesting is done by hand or by large automated cotton pickers machines. Cotton picked by hand is generally cleaner and more valuable, while machine-picked cotton may contain pieces of leaves or other trash. Phase 5. The cotton bales now go through an important cleaning stage before moving towards the textile mills. Phase 6. In the ginning factory, the cotton is passed through large, high-speed machines. The purpose of this stage is to separate the fibers, lint, from their seeds and other debris. This process is crucial for the quality of the fabric. Phase 7. After ginning, the clean fibers are compressed by powerful machines and turned into large square blocks or bales. Each bale can weigh hundreds of kilograms. These bales are now ready for global shipping and trading. Phase 8. Each bale is classing, based on its quality. It is graded based on fiber staple length, strength, fineness, micronair, and color. This classification determines the price and the final product. Phase 9. The bales now arrive at the mills where they take the form of thread, which is our identity. 10. The bales are opened. In the opening and cleaning stages, all remaining dust, trash, and small pieces of leaves are removed from the cotton. Phase 11. Carding. Fibers are brought into thin web-like sheets and straightened in one direction. An additional process of combing is also used for high-quality threads, which separates the shorter fibers. Phase 12. Spinning involves gathering the fibers and giving them a twist. Ring spinning and open-end spinning are two common methods. This process makes the fiber long, strong, and converts it into yarn, which is now ready for weaving. Phase 13. The prepared yarn is now ready to become the final garment. Phase 14. The yarn is either loaded onto the loom machine for weaving to make fabrics like denim or poplin, or onto the knitting machine to make soft t-shirt or sweatshirt fabric. Phase 15. The dyeing process gives the fabric the desired color. Then, in the finishing stages, the fabric is ironed, softened, and shrinkage is prevented. Here, the fabric is prepared for its retail look. Phase 16. The finished fabric is sent to the garment factory, where it is subjected to cutting according to the pattern and sewing on the assembly line to give it the final garment shape. Note: this simple cotton fiber is a combination of agriculture, technology, and skill. The next time you wear a cotton garment, remember this entire journey behind it. Now subscribe the channel for videos like that. Thank you for watching.